Welcome to No Code Tech YouTube channel. Today, we gon' learn how to configure C++ graphics in code block integrated development environment in easy ways. Compiling graphics codes on codeblock.h shows an error, cannot find graphics header files. This is because graphics header files runs is not available in the library folder of codeblocks. To successfully compile graphics code on codeblocks, set up WinBGIM library. Copy and paste graphics header files and WinBGIM header files into the include folder of compiler directory. If you have codeblocks installed in C drive of your computer, go through disk C, program files, codeblocks, MinGW, include, paste these two files there. And go back to previous folder, select and copy WinBGIM library into codeblock subdirectory of library. Now open codeblocks, go to Settings, Compiler, Linker Settings. In that window, click the Add button under the Link Libraries part and browse the libbgi library file. In that window, click the Add button under the Link Libraries part and browse the libbgi library file. In right part, Other Linker Options, paste the linker setting commands. Click OK. You can now compile and run programs that use the WinBGIM graphics library, such as this one that opens a small window, draws a rectangle and waits for the user to press a key. Create a project. Go to File, Project, Console Application, put on project name and choose a directory for your project. Rectangle function is used to draw a rectangle. Coordinates of left top and right bottom corner are required to draw the rectangle. Left specifies the x coordinate of top left corner. Top specifies the y coordinate of top left corner. Right specifies the x coordinate of right bottom corner. Bottom specifies the y coordinate of right bottom corner. Let's code rectangle graphics. After finishing the code, run the project. Don't hesitate to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.